Hey, Steve Basic Architect out here at our historic reno project. You know, when we talk about steel beams, a lot of people always want to know how did we pack it out, what's in there. So I figured I'd do a quick run through. You can see we have a steel beam that runs from here all the way across. This is that 22 plus footer, 1,000 pounder. And what it did was, if I stand under here, you'll see it split what was the old span. You can see a bunch of the old joists up there, and you can see how they were scalloped. Go check out the old video where I talked about that. But those pretty much spanned this entire 17 feet. And now we put a beam right down the middle to help support that. And the way we finish that, each side of that beam is packed out with 3 2x8s. And you can see the bolting there. So it's on both sides. You can see the carriage bolts in there. And then each of the joists have gotten sistered up. And what's going to happen is, just like in the basement, shoreline builders, they'll put a little block here that'll fill in and give full support. And then they'll simply wrap a double joist hanger around each one of these to grab it. So that's how we did it. Historic reno project.